Hey.
Come on, man, break out. Come on, Michael, here. Look like an idiot now. He all red. That nigga.
Oh shit, he's swinging.
That nigga falling asleep. Hey, shit, try to break it. Good, top, break out the top. You okay?
He's turning red. Oh shit.
You are super red. Hey, come on, shit. My head be in the house. No, not that far. You ain't gonna break out.
Damn, he's turning red as fuck.
I give some gut shots. I was playing. And if I give you some gut shots, would that make you get out? Help you get out? Come on, Michael. Break it. Come on, Michael, break it.
Freddy's too goddamn strong.
Break it, Michael. I'll pull your hands out for you. Help you. I'll pull your hands out for you. Help you. That ain't Freddy, strong as fuck. Nah, man, actually, I know. You don't know. You will find out. Sorry, my turn. Break out. Oh, let me see. See the pot.
Alright, it's my turn. Oh, shit.
Give me 5.
Don't. It's my turn now.
Broke out of it. I want to see this, man. I want to see you break out. No, it's not. You got more.
Look, Freddy's not even really trying, dude. He's just sweating.
You got my lower part of this thing. You're supposed to force him to go to sleep. And if he does go to sleep, then it's over. Wait, sorry, Freddy.
Yeah, I got it. I don't know, nigga. They're gone for a long time. And I'm still recording this shit, okay?
Yeah! I got it out. You got it? I got it out, Freddy.